This is a winter specialty among the East Indians, especially when we make this after the harvest, because the new rice is then available, and it is made with unpolished rice, that is what we call patni rice. So I start with patni rice. You either get red patni rice or white patni rice, and you soak it overnight, and then drain it in the morning. And when the rice is still wet, you have to dry roast it without adding any oil to it, and keep on roasting it until they're golden brown. And then you grind it, coarsely grind it, because this is not like powder, it is coarse. And then after that, to it you have to add jaggery, cut it into very small fine pieces, grated coconut, cardamom, and a pinch of salt to it, and then you mix everything together. After mixing it, you have to pound this, because in order to make the ladoos all come all together, the mixture has to be little wet.